Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa Glab. So basically this video is all about my surgery I'm getting tomorrow. Today's the 11th and again tomorrow on the 12th. I have to drive to Beverly Hills because that's where the main, office is, where they do the surgeries. But basically what I'm getting done is I'm getting my ears sewn up. Because I stressed them out when I was a teenager. And I'm over now being stressed. I want to wear regular earrings. So what they're going to do basically is, I guess, cut. And they're going to make them into regular ears like that. Or, I don't know how they're going to look, but this is the before of how they look. Hold on. Hold on, baby. And I'll take you guys with me to see everything. What do you want to do?
My mommy's, I got my ears pierced, and my mommy they get her ears pierced, and her they get little ears like me.
Yeah.
I'm aware of little ears.
Yeah, so what she was saying is her ears are pierced and that I'm going to get my ears regular like hers so that I can get my ears pierced. So, hopefully it'll look something like that. Or first of all this. I just want regular ears. But yeah, so hopefully, by tomorrow, these will be looking normal, so I get my ears pierced. I'm gonna see if they can leave a little hole so that I don't have to re-pierce my ears. If it could just be I don't know. I'll figure it out. She said that it might be, like the doctor I seen, said that it might be a little tight because there's not a lot of skin on this part right here.
It hurts you.
But I think they can figure it out. They could chop it right here, like that. I don't know. They'll figure it out. They'll figure it out. All I know is better look good because it's not cheap. Okay, guys. So today is the 12th, which is the day of my surgery for my ears. Getting them sewn up so they can look like regular ears. I don't know how it's gonna look after, but hopefully it looks good. I don't know. But we're in Beverly Hills right now. It's Beverly Hills. Yeah. I guess I'll show you guys the street. Anyways. I have to be there by 11. It's 10:26, so hopefully you get there soon. Traffic has been taking from literally 1 minute away.
Literally 1 minute down the street.
1 minute down the street, so wish me luck. I'm so nervous. They told me to wear a button-down shirt, but all the ones I have are super freaking uncomfortable and tight, so I'm just wearing a very loose shirt. And yeah, alright, I guess I'll see you after. Alright, bye. I'm in my cab. This is the doctor's office. Ring light. I'm so nervous. Before. Okay guys, so I just got out of surgery, and also they filmed the whole thing, which is super freaking cool, I think. So this is how my ears look.
In 800 feet, turn right.
They're swollen because of the local, the numbing stuff that they put in, but they said the swelling will go down and they put ointment on it. But yeah, in a week or two it will look really good, so I'm super excited about that. Alright, so but they said they're gonna probably airdrop me or email me, the videos that they took and the pictures that they took, because the whole ring light and all this stuff. They use actual DSLR, so hopefully I can get that footage from them. But yeah, have a checkup in a week. But that's by my house. They got literally 2 minutes away from my house. But yeah, that'll be it. Alright, bye. Bye.